Good day, everyone. If you want to record your audio in PC and you want a good quality, the built-in audio recorder doesn't have the option to select your mic like I have selected from here, right? So it doesn't give you a good quality. Then I'll tell you the free version where you can use your microphone. I mean, you can use this audio recorder. However, you can do it only for 5 minutes max, right? So you need to go to the Microsoft Store, search Audio Rec, and you will find Audio Recorder apps and utilities. You just need to click on that, and you will have 3 AM apps, Audio Recorder, and you can install it. It's a very small app, and the moment you click on Start, it will give you a 5 minute recording every time. If you like, the free version allows only up to 5 minutes, so I max do only for 5 minutes, like less than 5 minutes, so it works for me. However, if you want more, you can go for the pro, else 5 minutes is good. Every time you will click on start, it will give you 5 minutes to record, and once you're done, you will see the location. You just need to click on that, and it will send that audio right there, right? You can also change the location where exactly you want to save. So I have selected the location to the downloads. You can also try that, and do let me know in the comment section whether you like this audio recorder or not. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Take care.